this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made $1,500 trading the Forex market, specifically day trading the currency pair EURUSD. Welcome back to Mindfully Trading, and if you're new here, my name is Emily and I've been trading the Forex market for a few years now. I originally started day trading the US stock market just over 5 years ago, and since then I've gravitated towards trading Forex, where recently I have been trading with the prop firm, the 5%ers. I will share more about the 5%ers later in this video, and there is a link below in the description if you want to learn more about them and about prop firms in particular. On a personal note, I balance trading Forex full-time alongside being a full-time mother. I have 2 children under the age of 2. In fact, my second child I actually gave birth to just over 6 weeks ago, so life has been very busy for me lately. I guess that you could say that trading is either my dedication or my addiction, a little bit of both, I'm not sure which one. But stick around because I'm going to take you through this day trade step by step, my process, my strategy, my risk management, everything, including my broker data. So let's get straight to it and jump onto the computer. So I've just loaded up my platform here in MetaTrader 5. This is the platform that I use to trade with my account with the 5%ers. And here are the 3 trades that I took on Monday the 30th of October. Now, although I'm going to be talking you through the one winning trade on this day, which was this trade here, EURUSD, where I made just over $1,500, I just want to point out that I did also take 2 losers that day. I'm not hiding that. For all the people who also asked to see the losers, here they are. But most importantly, the winner was larger. So I still finished up green on the day and I still ended in a profit. Now, the reason I'm sharing the winner with you guys is because it was bigger than the loser and it was a really good trade, and I think there's a lot to learn from that, so I'm going to share that with you today. But I will share losing trade breakdowns. If you want that specifically, let me know in the comments below and I will make sure that I do that in future videos. Those of you who are wondering, I use this platform, MetaTrader 5, to execute my trades. I set my trades, I set my stop loss, I set my take profit, I execute it, and I let it either win or lose, and that is it. It is an execution platform for me. When it comes to actually planning the trade, to actually analysing, and then to actually review a trade, I use the platform Tradingview, and that's what I'm going to jump onto in just a moment to share this trade with you step by step, including the exact strategy that I used to make $1,500 trading EURUSD. But before I do that, I'm just going to jump onto the 5%ers website here and show you the actual account that I am trading with them. So if you don't know what a prop firm is, a proprietary trading firm is a company that allows you to usually carry out a challenge with them. You have to prove your skills, but if you pass and if you are able to trade a funded account with them, you basically trade their company capital and you take a split of any profits that are made on the account. So it's a brilliant way to really up your game if you have a consistent, a proven strategy that makes you money, that you win at trading, but you lack the capital to really make some money. A prop firm could be just for you. And the 5%ers is a prop firm that I've been working with for over a year now, and they have been absolutely brilliant. There are many prop firms out there and there are constantly more coming out and about, but the 5%ers have been around for a long time. And in my opinion, they are one of the best prop firms. In fact, just recently, you may have noticed there was a bit of a scandal with one of the prop firms, my Forex funds, where they've actually been sued and they have shut down their operation. So this is the account that I have been trading with, the high stakes program. They do have 3 options available. So there is a hyper growth program, a bootcamp program, but this is the one that I have been trading, high stakes. And there are a few points that I love about high stakes. One of the major points is the fact that you have unlimited time to pass. This is a real game changer for prop firms, and this could be the difference between you succeeding or not with a prop firm. And that's because it really removes the pressure and the stress associated with carrying out a challenge, because you have unlimited time to pass. You can take your time. If you are a string trader, it's perfect for you. If you are a scalper or a day trader, but maybe the market isn't in the best condition, this can be really good for you to help you to take your time and wait for the market to turn around to the best condition so that you can pass this challenge. With high stakes, there are also many different options for an account size. So they start from a $5,000 account, which is their cheapest one, costs only $39 to carry out that challenge, and it goes all the way up to $100,000. Now, the challenge itself is carried out on a demo account. You have 2 steps. So in step 1, you have to hit the profit target, which is 8%, and you have to respect the rules, which is a maximum loss of 10% of the account. There's also a maximum daily loss here of 5% and a minimum profitable days. If you're able to do that, then you proceed on to step 2, which is a repeat of step 1, except that you have less target to hit. So you only need to make 5% on that account. If you're able to do that again, then you are able to access their fully funded account, whereby any profits that you make, you can withdraw and you can benefit from. Now, they also have a lot of really cool features with high stakes. They have a account scaling option, so you can basically make more and more money over time, and the profit share increases as well. If you want some more information about the high stakes program, I have created a separate video, so I will include a link to that above. And I have got a coupon code if you want to have a go for yourself. Do check it out in the link below in the description, and good luck to you if you decide to enroll onto this challenge. So I've just loaded up EURUSD here on Tradingview. I've used a very useful back testing bar replay tool here to remove the current candlesticks and go back in time. So I have removed the candlesticks, taken this back just before I set this trade on Monday the 30th of October, so that I can share with you my thought process and my strategy on why I set this trade. Now, although this is a nice clean chart, there are a couple of indicators that I use. I'm going to add those now. And they include the round numbers above and below. Now, these add these horizontal lines here, which are basically representing institutional price levels. They are set levels at the half and the full dollar. And then I also add this new indicator that I've been using that's just really sped up my trading process, and that is a daily high or low. As you can see, there are 2 lines here, and they represent the previous daily high and the previous daily low. These are key levels that I use in my trading strategy to carry out day trades. And before we analyze this on the faster time frame, I always start my strategy, my analysis on the larger time frame, which is the daily time frame. And on this day, although you can see the closing candle here on the 30th, the previous day I saw this. I saw that we were in this short-term uptrend. So price has, although it's been coming down here, it pushed above this recent lower high and it made a new high, and it started swinging higher. We made a low here and we made a new high here. And what was interesting, zooming in on the most recent daily candlestick action, is that we came down here, it started to curve, and then we had a closing green doji candle, which broke the previous daily high. Now, this showed that price was starting to turn, and my bias was going to be long biased. That was all I got from the daily time frame. Returning to the 15-minute time frame, from the current daily open, price had been ranging a little bit. We came down, but then it shot up with momentum and basically started swinging higher on the day. Now, when I got most interested was when we got this large bullish candle push up at 1 o'clock, just going into the New York session, that pushed up and closed above the previous daily high. Now, I had an alert set here, a trade alert at this previous daily high level, which meant that once price crossed that level, the alert went off my phone, and I thought, right, this could be a good opportunity for a long. We're in the New York session, the volume is coming in. Let's have a look at what price is telling me. And going from that daily time frame, I was long biased, and applying my strategy here, I could see that we had an institutional price level at the 106 level, just above the previous daily high, and we have momentum. These are all really nice confluence, and I wanted to get in on that opportunity. So I decided to set a long position here at that institutional price level. I used a 20 pip stop, a large stop, just below the previous consolidation, the previous pullback, so that my stop was below that area. And I actually set a larger target. Now, if you've been watching my videos where I share my strategy or my recap videos, you'll know that I tend to stick to 1.5R target because I usually day trade. I like to get in and out on the same day, and 1.5R is usually a nice take-home win for that to happen. However, with this trade, I went back to the daily time frame and I looked at where the next level could be where price would aim to hit. Now, I thought that there was a really good chance that price would return to this daily level here because we had a strong push up and a strong rejection just at this institutional price level. And I thought price may want to return there. So going back to the 15-minute time frame, I decided to set a large 3R target. It was just below that level at 62, but it was just above this institutional price level, and I felt like that was a realistic target to achieve for this trade. Now with that, I actually set numerous trade alerts at different levels. So I set one when price crossed 1.5R. I set another when it crossed 2R. And then I set a final alert at my target at 3R. And this is what happened. So first of all, I checked this trade when it returned to my entry here around about 5 o'clock on the Monday evening. When we got this following bullish engulfing candle close, that was when I decided I would leave this overnight, because sometimes a trade just needs more time to play out. I trusted my analysis, I trusted those key daily levels, and I trusted my profit target. So after that, I basically turned off the charts and I shut it down, and I just let my trade alerts work and left it. Now, the next morning, although we did go into drawdown, I didn't look at the chart, so I didn't even know that was happening. And in the morning, during the London session, price started to push up, and eventually we got this large push up at 9:45 in the morning, where price hit my target, and it resulted in a nice 3R win. If you are a beginner to the Forex market, if you want to learn more, if you want to deepen your already existing skills, I am in the process of finalizing an ebook that is designed to do just that. It's going to be an ebook designed for beginners, a 101 guide on trading Forex. So it's going to cover the basics, trading terminologies, risk management, all the way through technical analysis, analyzing price action, looking at some different strategies, and basically sharing an insight into my own experience. There's going to be a bonus section on the ebook where I'm going to share a lot of the lessons I've learned over the years and what would be my advice to myself if I could go back in time. If you're interested in getting a copy of that, do let me know. I will add an email where you can email me and I'll add you to the waiting list. Meanwhile, I do share other trading resources and software in the description below, so do check that out. If you've enjoyed the video, please let me know by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.